तो अभी मैं हूँ आईआईटी बॉम्बे के कैंपस और आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि क्या इंडिया की नंबर 1 आईआईटी के स्टूडेंट्स
276
वन ऑफ द हार्डेस्ट नीट एग्जाम के
It was one of the most controversial questions ever.
कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाते हैं या नहीं। सो द रूल्स आर सिंपल। सिलेक्ट वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट एंड सॉल्व इट अंडर 1 मिनट। इफ यू आंसर करेक्टली यू विन 500 rupees and then you will have the chance to play for double or nothing. But to win you have to solve the hardest physics question in the history of NEET exam.
Hi guys, sorry to disturb, but I'm filming a YouTube video. If you guys are interested, I'm filming a YouTube video. It's okay, no problem. Hi guys, so sorry to disturb, but I'm filming a YouTube video where I'm asking one question. And if you solve it, I will give you 500 rupees. And if you solve it, I will give you 500 rupees. No, it's okay, no problem. The questions are from physics, chemistry, and maths. It's for high school students.
We are not interested.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. So you can just take your time to take a look at the question.
Try the physics one.
Yeah, it's okay. And the only catch is that you will only get 1 minute to answer the question. What year and major are you guys from?
PhD.
We are PhD. So,
Yeah, we have just joined the
Okay.
campus. I'm getting confused. I think I might get it wrong. It's okay. I'm not able to solve it. Yeah.
it's okay. So you don't want to try?
No.
It's okay. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you for your time. Hi guys. Sorry to disturb, but मैं ना एक YouTube video बना रहा हूँ where I'm asking IIT Bombay questions, some questions from NEET. And if you answer it correctly, I will give you 500 rupees. And I'm challenging IIT Bombay students with some questions from NEET. And if they solve it, I will give them 500 rupees. तुम लोग on the spot डाल रहा ठीक है?
I think we don't want to solve. We don't want to solve. I think it's too.
You wanna try? You can say, take a look at the questions.
Pen.
To be honest, I lost the pen. I don't know how. There is a pen.
refill मैंने कहा
What the
खोलना होता है.
What is this pen, bro?
वापस लगा.
भाई, ये pen क्या है?
वो तो खींच उसे. तो खींच उसे.
Bro, भाई एक पेन कहाँ से लिया?
अरे यार मैं मिला.
Oh, cool. Can I ask your rank as well if you are comfortable?
276.
276. Okay. I got a heart attack, mini heart attack. but
So
okay.
one.
Can I ask yours as well?
307.
Okay.
Then
Please don't backtrack me. You can take like this is from chemistry, other one is from physics, and the last one is from
okay.
bio.
I think we should take a bio question.
If you solve bio question, I will give you 600.
Okay.
The only thing is that you have to solve it in under 1 minute. Fine. So once you select the question,
Sure.
you will only get 1 minute to answer.
Start कर.
Okay, start.
Okay, start. Yeah, I'm trying.
Which one?
The chemistry one.
Chemistry one, 59. Okay.
Oh, we can do this, dude. Inheritance, we did know.
And this is actually a hard one, so let me start the timer. Okay, so your timer has started. You can now try to solve. Yeah.
अच्छा बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है आपका पेन तो क्रीम आपका पेन अरे शिट
Can I ask which year and branch are you guys from?
oh first year
You are freshers.
freshers yeah
Okay, that's cool. And branch?
energy and EP we're from EP
Okay, got it. थोड़ा zoom out, zoom in जो करना है कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो वैसे आप कौन से ईयर और लाइक कौन से ब्रांच से?
BTech first year electrical
इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर. Same.
क्या होगा
Which year are you guys from? Second year. And what department?
physics
So definitely you should at least give it a try. So yeah. Like, do you guys know about NEET? NEET के बारे में क्या पता है? Like,
अच्छा about NEET
yeah.
बस इतना
Like-
होता है
Like, you know, like you have to solve 200 questions in 180 minutes.
180 questions in 180
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, which one of you have tried NEET before? Oh, you have tried NEET.
yeah he is AR 5000 in NEET 8000 disease
बारिश देखो कितनी.
two have disease
हद से ज़्यादा बारिश.
one is a no disease carrier so that's 1 in 4
हेलो. इससे भी पूछ लो NEET का क्वेश्चन.
मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट निकालना है मेरी जान. मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट इंडिपेंडेंट होता है तो बी हट जाता है.
कट गया
1 और 2 बचा है.
it's k1 plus k3/2 na k2 so it has to be in between
Now the probability for the birth of a child having no disease and being a carrier. Okay. X. Look. X dash X. X dash Y. So that gives you X dash X dash X dash Y X dash Y. No. X Y. Wait. Fuck.
Oh, it is
You guys don't study biology, right? In high school. So obviously.
V किस पे डिपेंड करता है ना Z by L
टाइम जा रहा है
Lowest energy state बोला है. Lowest energy state.
Okay, your time is over. Sorry. You have to tell me.
It's B.
B. Okay.
Probably.
I'll stop the timer.
Probably.
I have to check the answer.
Yeah. 4. It's option 4.
4. You sure?
Yeah.
You have 22 seconds, 21 seconds. You don't need more time?
No. I'm sure.
Okay. Let me check. So I have stopped the timer and let's see if it's correct.
I think it's 1 by 4.
So your time is over. Shall I stop the timer?
Yeah.
Okay. And now tell me your final answer.
1 and 4.
1 by 4, which is 1. Okay. Are you sure about it?
Yeah.
It's correct. So it's chemistry. So you have chosen 59. C. A, B and C only, right? Yeah. Okay, it's correct. You earn 500 rupees. If it's wrong, shall I post it? So for physics, second is correct. So you want 500.
मेरा guess सही था.
But there is a twist. This is the question from physics. This was the hardest question. You can take a look at it. In like last 10 years in NEET. If you can solve this question correctly, I will give you 1,000.
I feel that is a trick.
अबे इसने करा होगा पक्का करा होगा.
Yes, exactly.
No way.
अरे ये मैंने किया
ये क्लास शुरू हो जाएगी.
Okay. Okay, you want to try?
Yeah.
But the time is same. So you only get 1 minute.
1 minute. Fine.
But this is double or nothing. If you couldn't answer it correctly, you can lose your 500. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so I'm starting your timer. Again, it's 1 minute. Okay, your timer is on.
Seconds later.
I'm making a YouTube video where I'm asking questions from NEET to IIT Bombay students. If you want to try, you can also try.
We pass this on to them.
So there's an RCPN competition where we basically have to create a remote controlled plane ourselves. Today is our first session for that, the design session where they teach us about the design about
Isn't it too much? You guys
Oh,
still in like
guys.
first year, like pressure.
People do it every year.
We already built a gesture control car which just runs on our hand gestures
Yes.
like a month ago.
Yes.
And how long it has been since you came to like IIT Bombay?
2 months?
In 2
2
months
months,
you have built
yes.
a car.
No, we built it in 1 week.
Not even a week, dude. We had like 3 days.
Wow.
Like you have x, एक बार differential के times you get velocity, एक बार here you get velocity, right? Like meter per second. So I think it will be 2.
सो नहीं रहे, खा नहीं रहे, बस.
But is it too much pressure? Like the academic pressure, is it too much?
No, I'm frankly enjoying it.
SZ वाला ये यहाँ पे लग रहा है. It's like d square y by dt square जो है वो ऊपर ये वाली चीज़ है.
Double differential.
अरे trust. Never mind. I know that this is a cylindrical profile. The differential equation which fits a cylindrical profile is.
Listen, why don't have the same? Right. Yeah.
20 seconds remain.
Let's go with it.
Done? Your time is over.
Okay.
Let's see which option you select.
Option 2.
Option 2. Are you confused between 1 and 2?
No.
No? You surely think that it's 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's correct. You won 1,000 rupees. You have chosen option 2 for the hardest question in like last 10 years of physics. And you are from physics background as well. And this is correct. You won 1,000 rupees.
Let's go.
I'm so sorry, it's wrong, but I understand your problem. There was a controversy between this option, like if 1 is correct or 2 is correct. So if you use the dimension reduction method, it will be 1. If you use the conceptual method, it will be 2. So I will still give you 500 rupees. So it's okay. I have paid you.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. So it's 1,000. Okay. Yes. You think they were like easier or like compared to like JEE Advanced or JEE Main? Like how was the
This was tough. If you have to solve it by the right method and not by dimensions, then this one is tough level. The other one was very easy.